Treating male pattern baldness is fast becoming one of the most popular aesthetic procedures. In the last few years, the number of follicular unit extractions, or FUE procedures, has grown more than 40%. Yet few physicians can meet the demand due to the complexity and fatigue associated with this procedure. With this in mind, the ARTAS system was developed, the first and only FDA-cleared computer-assisted image-guided system that enables consistent and reproducible results while solving most of the technical challenges inherent in the FUE technique. Developed in collaboration with leading hair restoration physicians, robotic engineers, and clinical experts, the ARTAS system utilizes state-of-the-art imaging technology to deliver safe, consistent results with a less invasive procedure.
The ARTAS system brings an unprecedented level of precision, efficiency, and consistency to the FUE technique. It eliminates the tedium and fatigue associated with the procedure and allows surgeons to focus on the artistry of hair restoration.
The ARTAS system embodies innovation at its finest. Physician-controlled and computer-assisted, the system combines several features, including an image-guided robotic arm, a dissection punch, and the proprietary ARTAS vision mapping and tracking technology.
The ARTAS system has allowed us to target the best quality grafts on a patient's head, and with its technology and its vision systems has allowed us to dissect these grafts out such that they're the best quality FUE grafts you can possibly find.
Once the patient's scalp is anesthetized, an ARTAS skin tensioner is placed on the donor area. Using sophisticated imaging algorithms, the ARTAS system identifies each follicular unit on the surface of the skin to determine their individual properties, such as angle, orientation, direction, density, and distribution. The ARTAS system pinpoints the exact location of each follicular unit on the scalp and targets at the optimal approach. The small dissection needle is then deployed, maneuvered by its robotic arm to precisely harvest each follicular unit. The system continuously monitors the exact location of follicular units and dynamically compensates for patient movement. And because of its rapid speed and accuracy, there is less fatigue, allowing for consistent high-quality grafts. The ARTAS system's state-of-the-art image-guided technology enables efficient and safe harvesting by hair restoration specialists. The system utilizes a specially designed two-needle system. A sharp inner needle is housed in an outer blunt dissection punch. First, the inner needle is deployed to score the skin's surface, and then the blunt outer punch dissects deeper, resulting in a healthy graft ready for implantation. Light suction is used to help elevate the harvested grafts for easier removal. Using manual forceps, a technician removes the follicular units from the scalp. This harvesting process produces consistent, healthy grafts to enhance successful regrowth.
So the ARTAS system is an assistive device. In other words, it's not taking away the responsibility from the doctor, but it's giving you the information you need and allowing the system itself to do the majority of the work. In other words, the work that's tiresome, the work that's hard, the work that's so subjective, and putting that into equations and so forth that really helps you out. It provides great results, very consistent results, low transection rates, and the patients are all happy.
With more than 35 million hair restoration candidates in the United States alone, the need for minimally invasive hair restoration continues to grow. The ARTAS system meets that demand with advanced technology that sets a new standard of care for hair restoration.
I think the engineers at Restoration Robotics have put together a system that's about as easy to use as you can imagine. I would say that within a couple hours of training, a doctor can use this system and produce grafts equal in quality to someone that's been using it for a year, and that's the beauty of the system. It translates from doctor to doctor.
I feel comfortable with the ARTAS procedure because of the computer-assisted technology. I've seen a lot of other procedures that don't look very good, And I knew that with the ARTAS procedure, I would just get a more natural, consistent look.
Patients enjoy a better experience with less discomfort and a quicker return to their normal activities. And because there is no linear incision, they are able to wear their hair at any length or style.
When I started losing my hair at 35, I was really uncomfortable. I felt like people were always looking at my bald spot. But now that I've had the ARTAS procedure, I feel a new sense of confidence about the way I feel and look.
The ARTAS system is precise, consistent, and amazingly innovative. And it produces quality grafts time and time again from patient to patient, from physician to physician.
The ARTAS system gives a physician a great amount of efficiency that he can incorporate into his practice. In the past, a physician that has not been too used to doing follicular unit extraction may only get to 200 or 300 grafts per hour. And that's really a very slow rate and not enough to really maximize the efficiency in an office. The ARTAS system, with its extraction rates of anywhere from 700 to 1,000 grafts an hour, really steps up what the physician can offer. What that translates to is many things. One is the patient is not in the operating room as long, the grafts are not out of the body as long, and if the physician is not exhausted by the whole extraction process, he can actually concentrate on delivering the grafts where they need to go. The artistry, creating the density, and the natural appearance. And it all comes down to giving patients the best results possible.
The ARTAS system has taken FUE to an unprecedented level of precision, efficiency, and safety, providing consistent results and happy patients. The ARTAS system, essential technology for hair, essential technology for your practice. Visualize the possibilities. The ARTAS system. Talk to your ARTAS representative today or visit artishair.com to learn more.